Hello class, good morning. I'm your teacher for today, Teacher JR, in English 4 Matatag Curriculum, first quarter, week 6. Our learning competencies in this week is to produce text with introduction, body, and conclusion in conveying idea using introduction, body, and conclusion. Second is to express ideas appropriately for one's purpose, context, and target audience. Our learning objectives for today are the following. Identify the narrative text. Identify the feature text of the narrative text. What is narrative text, class? So when we say narrative text, it is a type of text that tells a story or describes a sequence of events. The purpose of a narrative text is to entertain or to inform the reader by presenting a series of events in a coherent and engaging way. So, other definition of the narrative text, it is an act of telling a story or recounting a series of events. It involves a plot. So when we say plot, class, it has a introduction, it has a body, and the ending of the story. And narrative text often focuses on the actions, thoughts, and feelings of the characters in the story. The narrative text is a narration that provides a detailed chronological account that helps the audience visualize and emotionally engage with the events being described. A narrative text is also follows a timeline or a sequence of events using connectors like first, then, next, finally. It often includes dialogue, descriptions, and character development. So there are four features of narrative text that we are going to discuss today. The first one, class, is a narrative text use past tense of the verb. So when we say past tenses, it set the scene in time, making the stories feel real and vivid. Example, class. The brave knight ventured into the dark forest. So bear in mind that the narrative text, class, uses past tenses of the verb. And the second is our adverbials of time. So it guides the readers through the story's timeline. Example, class. One stormy night under a blanket of stars. And the third features of the narrative text is descriptive adjectives. So it uses descriptive adjectives, class. So it paint with words, adding depth to the narrative. So example, the ancient whispering trees. And the last features of the narrative text is rich noun phrases, which means offer detailed snapshots of the story's elements. Example, the shimmering crystal clear lake. So let's have a story and later we'll find out the four features of the narrative text being used in this text. The title is The Birthday Party at the Beach. So I want you to listen, class, while I'm reading the story. And later on, we will find out the four features of the narrative text. So here we go. The birthday party at the beach. In the small town of Batangas, Mia was excited because today was his birthday. Her family decided to celebrate at the beach. Mia loved the beach because she could play in the sand and splash in the water. When Mia and her family arrived at the beach, They set up a big colorful umbrella and spread out a blanket. Mia's mom brought a big basket filled with tasty food like lumpia, adobo, and sweet mangoes. Mia's dad helped her build a big sand castle with tall towers and a moat. Mia's friends came to the beach and they played games together. They ran around, collected seashells, and played in the waves. Mia's favorite part was when everyone sang happy birthday to her, and she blew out the candles on her big chocolate cake. After a fun day of playing and eating, Mia felt very happy. She loved spending her birthday at the beach with her family and friends. As the sun began to set, Mia looked at the beautiful orange sky and thought it was the best birthday ever. So let's take a look at the verbs used in the narrative text that we have read a while ago about the birthday of Mia. So we know that the feature of the narrative text that it uses past tenses of the verb. So these are the past tense of the verb used in the narrative text that we have read. So this makes the scene and time and making stories feel real and vivid. Let's read together. Everybody, excited, arrived, came, was, began, could play, was, set up, played, sang, looked, helped, decided, spread out, run, blew, taught, played, loved, brought, collected, felt, was, loved. So as you can observe, class, these verbs that were used in the story about Mia's birthday are in their past form of the verb. So it's confirmed that really the narrative text uses past tenses of the verb. Let's go to another feature of the narrative text that it uses adverbials of time used in the narrative text. Okay? So it guides the readers through the story's timeline. So let's read together, everybody. Today, ever, together, after. So these are the adverbs of time that were used in the story, in the narrative text. So the third feature of the narrative text is that it uses descriptive adjectives. So it paints words adding depth to the narrative. So these are the adjectives used in the story that we have read. Everybody, let's read together. Small, a big, colorful, a big, tasty, sweet, tall, best, fun, beautiful orange, happy. And lastly, narrative text also uses rich noun phrases, which offer detailed snapshots of the story's elements. So let's read together, class. Town of Batangas. The sand and splash in the water. basket with food like lumpia, adobo, and mangoes. Sandcastle with tall towers and a moat. Family and friends. Okay, let's have another text and let's identify the features that is being used in this type of narrative text. I want you to listen, class, carefully as I read this narrative text. And later on, we will identify the four features of the narrative text being used in this narrative text. So here we go. Last night, I was on my way home when it suddenly rained. I forgot to bring my umbrella, so I ran to avoid getting completely soaked in the rain. Not seeing where I was going, I fell into the puddle of water. Then a guy helped me to stand. When I looked up, I recognized him. I forgot I was soaking wet and that I felt very cold. He offered to walk me home and I just nodded. The next day, I saw him in school. At last, we talked like old friends. Okay, let's identify the four features of the narrative text being used in this story. So, let's go, class. So, these are the features, the four features of the narrative text used in the narrative text that we have read a while ago. So, it used past tenses form of the verb. So let's read together the past tenses form of the verb. Was, rained, forgot, run, soak, was going, fell, helped, looked up, recognized, forgot, felt, offered, nodded, saw, talked. And these are the adverbs or adverbials of time used in the narrative text. Last night, suddenly, the next day, at last, on my way home. And these are the descriptive adjectives used in the narrative text that we have read. Very cold, old. And this is the rich phrases or phrase that used in the narrative text that we have read. Puddle of water. And that ends our lesson for today, class. I hope you learned something about the features of the narrative text and about the topic narrative text. See you again tomorrow, class. Thank you and God bless us all. This is your teacher, Teacher JR, saying goodbye.